Who has got coughing? Who is coughing among children? Come, come. Can you get some eucalyptus oil? Ah. What happened to you? You are coughing, eh? Oh. You can feel it. You just feel it here. Just come and have a look. You yourself can feel it. If a child is coughing, you should not cough. So many people are here. Yes, see. No, you just feel that. You just feel that all the bones. They're all there. See, they'll all dissolve under your hand, you see. The child will be relieved. So you should not just try to leave the child as it is. Immediately. On the child, put your hand on the child. Try to treat. And that's how you learn how to treat. I can't bear a child laughing like that. I'll hold your breath. Like that. Do like that. Okay.
Eucalyptus. Eucalyptus.
Yeah. Good. Just put out a man with it. Get a napkin or paper napkin or Can I lift your... Good. It's all right, it's all right. Feeling better now? Now, that's good. It's coming up now. I know.
जी
काफी डाला
थोड़ा डाला ज़्यादा है
ये डाल okay, so now I have told Dr. Ramzad and also I am telling all of you, you must write down what diseases you want to treat. Alright, and I'll tell you what should be done. Make a list. And now you have to start procuring. Just ask me what diseases you want to treat. All of them. I'll give you all the solutions. So first you tell me what disease. But don't give these modern names, I don't know them. Just write what is wrong, the symptom. Even if you give the name, also write the symptom. Good? Alright now? Beach per apura. Okay. सब absorb कर रहे हैं सब पेट में वायरस है it's a virus if both the chakras are caught up say Nabhi and Vishuddhi then you should know it's a virus. Now, all right. No more coughing, all right? It's very simple. Just as soon as they get into trouble, just find out and let me know. So you can solve your problems here and don't allow it to grow. It's very simple, it is very simple for you. They themselves will start curing, you see. They will become so wise that they will start curing. The next cameraman. All right. So I think I'll now have a bath and rest for a while. Ah, you got this made for me? Oh, how beautiful it is. Thank you very much. Now, who are these? Are the children also here? Our Kundalini rising, you see all these people there. Now let's see this one. Very, very sweet children here, isn't it? Is this you? It's the two ribbons. Alright? Good. Good. Thank you very much. This for me? Thank you very much. For chana. Let me give them the chana. I'll give you all. Alright? All the children. Come now. They all love chana, you know. That's a sign, I realize. Good. Both the hands, both the hands. Both the hands together is easier, otherwise they should fall off. But then lots of chana is very good for their health. No, this is coming from Greece, not from India. It's special chana. Come on. Oh, good. Now, both the hands like this. You gave me the flowers, so I'll give you the chana, alright? See. Oh. Now, who else is there? Come now. Good. Come now. Only for small children, not for the big ones. Good. Hold it tight. You got it? Everybody got it? They got it. They love chana. You must get chana. So chana is the most harmless thing, very good for liver. It's protein and gives them good muscles. This is not from Australia, I think. It must be from Greece. But I think you can grow it. It's a warm country, why not? People have not tried, I think. Perth is a warm country, isn't it?
Oh, yes.
I
think they do grow chickpeas here.
Huh?
Yeah, I think they grow chickpeas here.
There's one called as Ganesha, which is a very big one like that. very big. That they use, I think, vibrated water. Dumar used to produce them. I used to call them jumbo. In the market they were called as jumbo. They also have a Ganesha pomegranate in India. So big, red, absolutely.